Hey guys, it's AJ, and I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but I'm finally making one now. I'm playing the Roblox Pokemon Brick Bronze, and I had recently been playing Pokemon Ultra Moon, which is fun. I just recently beat the game. Let's turn on the volume. New game. Okay. No, I had a series before on this, but then I stopped. So maybe I'll make a slightly more consistent. So yes, it is now 2018. Yay. Pokemon cards. It's gonna load soon. Oh, it's already going, but I mean, they're gonna, start soon. Yes, that is my character. I just made this account the other day. Oh, wait. Okay. Yes, that is correct. Awesome.
Was it good?
Yep.
Cool.
That's funny. One of my friends' name is actually Jake. That's perfect. Okay, I don't actually remember. Oh, is it this way? I haven't played this game in a while. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go till I get my first Pokemon, and then I'm gonna do something else. I'm just gonna let you guys read it. Arceus, that's funny. My name on here is Baritones for life. I'll move this so you can just see it's the one on the top in the pink. That's me, so if you ever see me on here, send me a friend request, and I will most likely. Funny, it's a champ, because in Pokemon Ultra Moon, I am now the champion of Alola, so that's pretty perfect. I'm gonna get my first Pokemon. Oh, I'll get my first Pokemon and stuff. I like this game, even though I know Roblox is like a meme now. I am sorry that it's been a while since I have made a video. It's just stuff. Well, I hope everyone had a good Christmas and Happy Hanukkah and or Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. And of course, Happy New Year's. Because now, like I said earlier, 2018 is among us. I guess I'll just bring down the chat just to see. Annoy that. So if you guys want to know what my team was for beating the champion in Ultra Moon, I'm not gonna say who it is because I don't want to spoil it for you, because that would be mean. But I chose Popplio. Is this how do you save in this? I honestly don't. Oh, menu. This is how you do it. Menu and save. Just like in Pokemon and like the actual Pokemon games, I save before everything. I'm not kidding. Like every time I catch like a Pokemon, I always save. It's just something I'm something I do. Yeah, so my team was Primarina, I also had a male Salandit throughout the whole game. Didn't evolve it because, of course, it was a male one. I had the Dawn Wings Necrozma. I had a Alolan Raichu. Who else did I use? Oh my gosh, I forgot my team. Oh my gosh, I'm going blank. Oh my gosh, what did I use? Zoroark. Oh, and Hawlucha. Yes, that was my team. This saving is taking quite a while. Can I cancel this? Can I still move? Well then, I guess we're not getting a Pokemon in this episode. And so, if you guys want to, this is my screensaver. Hold on, go to here. And then, you can play this. Yes, it gave me the option of being able to do this. I guess I can pin this to the taskbar. Sweet, free Minecraft. I think is actually useful. It's better than spending $40 on it. Oh, I can click wrong button. I do want to change my name though. Hold on. Drag this so I can do that. I'm gonna grab the final thing on the final day of Minecraft. Okay, drag this over and click. Ooh, that's cool. A map. Okay, I'll be right back. You gotta sign in. Okay, guys, I couldn't actually sign in because I needed an Xbox account to do that, and I do not have an Xbox. So, yeah, new world, create new world. I can't change the game mode? Oh, is it? Okay. Then I guess I'll do a survival thing. I will start with that stuff. Can I not activate cheats? Can I not turn that on? Probably not. So let's just create. I doubt I can change the settings. Okay, I know this game is also pretty much a meme. I only have 90 minutes. That's fine. Oh, I'm not.
You can plug in the power cord, bud.
I know. I mean, like, I don't need to. I have 90 minutes just to play the game.
Oh.
The battery's fine. Isn't it like shift? Can you get them all? I don't remember how to do this because I haven't played this game in quite a long time. I really haven't. You know that, right, Dad? I haven't played this game in quite a long time.
Minecraft?
Yeah. I really have not played this game in quite some time. Oh, a village right there. Sweet. I'll get stuff from there, and then I'll have some stuff. I'll grab some of the food, too. The bread, I might use that. And then one of these.
Yeah, I haven't seen you play that game in quite a while.
Why? Because, you know, what happened to the old account? It broke. I can just break. You know, you remember what happened to the old account, right?
No.
It stopped working.
Really?
Yes, you've known that for the longest time.
Well,
You're the one who tried to fix it.
I'm talking about like on your phone though and stuff.
Oh, well, I do on my phone. Sometimes. Right here. I'm swimming in a river to find a...
Here,
Well, yeah, because that computer doesn't work about the best.
Well, we've got some new laptops.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I can just use the number key. I don't play on this game. I haven't played this game on the computer in quite some time. Not kidding. I'm using like the Roblox controls because I was just playing the Roblox game. I forgot how long this goes. I think it's 15 minutes. Unless they changed it, but I'm pretty sure it's just 15 minutes. I'm stealing their wood because I'm savage. Thank you. I like finding the villages because they're really useful for getting resources early on, like cobble, so you can make awesome stuff. I just hope it doesn't fall into the well, because if it does, I can't get it out. Okay, oh, I just dropped my pickaxe. E for inventory or whoa, this is different. Hello, villager. Great. Now where's the villager? How do I trade with you? So I don't. Oh, wheat for an emerald. I don't have any wheat. Sorry, bro. The blacksmith shop. Okay. Well, I'll get the stuff from the blacksmith shop and then I'll end the video. I'll take all this stuff. I have useful stuff like furnaces super early on. You don't have to grab so much cobblestone. 2 furnaces. I might steal one of the villagers' houses for a while. Grab some of the wool off camera. Okay. Suit chest. Armor? Sweet. Armor's useful. I did not know that these chests can have armor. Alright, and then a better pickaxe. I don't need any iron for the pickaxes. I'll still keep this one in case if this one breaks. I know it will. All this food. I haven't played Minecraft in a super long time. Just take all this stuff. And then I can probably take the chest. Then I can have a double chest. Boom. Okay. Now take the chest. I completely forgot the controls to this game. Okay. Now I will end the video here. So thank you all for watching. Sorry it's been such a long time since I've been able to make a video. Please like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications. And goodbye. Bye guys. Oh wait, hold on. This game is. There we go. Bye.